Leather Lily, right back at y'all with another tutorial. Happy holidays to you and yours. Today I'm repairing heels on men's shoes. This isn't the best example of a shoe, but it's what we got to work with, so we're gonna make it work. Okay, I've already took the old heel off. I've applied my glue. I'll let that set a while. And in the meantime, I'll go to these heels I've already finished, buff them off while I let that dry. Okay, these are just a couple of pair of shoes that I just repaired. What I'll do is, in the meantime and in between time, there's always time for a shine. You know what I'm saying? I ain't just trying to rhyme in time. There's always time for a shine. Bam. So what we gonna do is, here at the Leather Lily, this just laying you out most of the time. You ain't paying for no shine. So I ain't really gonna shine them. I'm gonna give you a quick version. I never send a shoe out dirty. Some shoe repairs feel like you don't pay for a shine, then I don't give you that, which is, that's proper. Some people don't understand that, but you know, when you go to the car wash, the inside and the outside separate. You know, as far as cleaning, house cleaning, anything you do like that. So, for me, it just looks so much nicer when a shoe's sitting on a counter and it's shined up and you know you brought them to me looking rough. You know, another quick shine, another latest shoes. As you can see, the distress here. And all you need is a little black polish, water. We're gonna give you a little spit shine around here. That's how we do it. I say this, I try to do it the old-fashioned way. Even though I'm a young man, so we're gonna spit this lady. And what I'll do is I'll show you a before and after. Now, a cleaning job costs $8 to $10, you know? But people don't want to pay that. So if you want to get heels, I'm going to charge you for heels and a shine. Now we're going to brush that off just to give you an idea of what I'm doing. This is a free service I'm giving you. You ain't spending but $12 and the other $10. Let me eat. And in some cities, they don't really believe in tipping. So, can I eat? Give you a quality job. Good turnaround time. Matter of fact, you can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Yelp, Google Plus. Right here where you see me now, YouTubing it. I'm going to go viral for y'all. See that? That's how she brought this shoe in here. Heels, and I'm giving her a quick shine so she can be pleased with her shoe. Now the next time, you know, starched without getting them clean, don't make no sense. You know, it's a cleaners. I'm a shoe repairer. I do this. This is part of the job. I get my car washed. I pay the dude, you know, and I tip him. I go to the barber, my cousin, cutting my hair for 35 years. Charge me 25, I give him 30, 35, depending on how I'm looking. You know, that's what that is. That's how you support black business, not by visiting the man's shop and spend service that other people gonna charge you twice as much for. Even though in business is get the money, get the money, get the money. But I do it because I love what I do. So there you can see the after, and hopefully she'll be pleased with the shoes.